Welcome to Veteran Tech, where raw power meets smart engineering. Today we're putting the toughest logging machines to the test. Massive log trucks, giant chainsaws, powerful splitters, and unstoppable stump pullers designed for the most extreme jobs. Now let's fire it up and get to work. Garrett and Brennan are out here tackling extreme conditions at the Beach Creek Fire near Gates, Oregon. Garrett's got a Style 61C chainsaw, while Brennan is handling a Style 66. Both are absolute powerhouses, built to tear through charred timber on unstable ground. But this isn't just about cutting wood. They're facing serious dangers. Burnt trees that could collapse at any moment, and the constant risk of landslides. In a place like this, every move counts. It takes skill, focus, and split-second decisions to get the job done safely. Dragging heavy bundles of wood across rough roads and soft ground? No problem for the LKT-81. Once it kicks into action, obstacles turn into mere bumps in the road. The power and durability of this machine are something to behold. Just watch as it handles the toughest terrain with ease. The results? Nothing short of impressive. In this scene, we're putting the Gilbert Pro 25 portable saw to the test. Watch as it slices through a piece of fir with precision and speed. This tool delivers clean, effortless cuts, making it a perfect choice for outdoor construction or carpentry projects. Let's see it in action. Oh no. Hopefully the driver gets through this quickly without too much loss. This is a tough situation, but maybe it'll serve as a valuable lesson, helping him stay more prepared and resilient for future trips. The Multi-One root planer gets the job done safely and efficiently. It runs at low speed with high torque, giving it way more power than traditional root grinders, especially in sensitive areas. Unlike high-speed grinders that send wood chips flying, this one operates smoothly and quietly, keeping dust and debris to a minimum. That makes it a perfect choice for work in busy areas or near pedestrians. This stump was 6 feet wide and slightly raised, but that didn't stop the machine. Even with a new river saw blade at only 60% sharp, it kept going strong. The rotation speed stayed at 2 because of the rocks in the ground, but the power never dropped. It tore through the stump with ease, crushing it in no time. This is a serious machine built to handle even the toughest forest conditions. Hey guys, this isn't your old school bark stripper. The BK Barker's built differently, with a spiral cutting head and 4 adjustable blades that remove bark without harming the wood. It runs on electricity or a tractor, making it perfect for both forest and factory work. With 17 kilowatts of power, it handles logs from 20 to 55 centimeters in diameter, up to 6 meters long, and strips an impressive 15 cubic meters per hour. Now that's efficiency in action. This machine is an absolute beast. The roar of the engine wasn't just loud, it was a full-blown declaration of power. Every twist of the throttle sent shockwaves through the air, pushing mechanical limits to the extreme. That deep, thunderous growl tore through the silence of Sierra to San Bardo, leaving the sparse forest around it frozen in awe. Nothing dared to stand in its way. Wow, look at this. An experienced logger in Washington State, a true master of his craft. Every move he makes shows the kind of skill that only comes with years of hard work and dedication. Watch how smooth and precise each cut is. No hesitation, no wasted motion. With complete control over the saw, he brings down massive trees with absolute precision. This is expertise in action. Timber Pro 830D and SP 761, power and performance in perfect harmony. The 830D delivers rock-solid stability and strong traction, keeping the job running smoothly without interruptions. Meanwhile, the SP 761 takes on massive trees with ease, boosting efficiency and cutting downtime. This combo isn't just powerful, it's unstoppable. Strength, speed, and durability all in one. Have you ever seen two machines work together this seamlessly? Truly unmatched. Unbelievable. The 4TS G75 stump grinder made that tree stump vanish in minutes. One moment it was there and the next completely gone. The sheer power of this machine is something else. With its high-performance grinding system, it shreds through stumps effortlessly, proving just how powerful and efficient it really is. When it comes to stump removal, this beast gets the job done like no other. The soil bites into the tree trunk, and that deep crackling sound fills the air. Every pass through the thick wood is like the footsteps of time, steady and unstoppable. This is the MS 880 Magnum, pure, untamed power in your hands. A machine built for those who don't just cut wood but conquer it. For those who don't fear the monumental but embrace it. Strength, precision, and skill. This is how you master the wild. The moment the tree came crashing down, it let out a deep, powerful sound, echoing through the mountains and forests. A moment of raw nature meeting sheer force. But there's no pause. The machine keeps moving, steady and relentless, ready to take down the next tree. Deep in the heart of the forest, where nature stands untouched and majestic, the EOG 590D makes its entrance. A silent hero of modern engineering, it moves with precision, blending seamlessly into the wild landscape. But this is more than just a woodworking machine. It's a bridge between man and nature, a tool that transforms raw timber while respecting the beauty of the world around it. Precision cutting isn't just about safety, it's about getting the most out of every piece of wood. A careful cut keeps the worker protected while ensuring minimal waste and maximum value. Every move matters when turning raw logs into usable lumber. Careful cutting isn't just about safety, it's about getting the most out of every piece of wood. A precise cut keeps the worker protected while making sure nothing goes to waste. Every move matters, turning rough logs into valuable lumber with minimal waste. Taking down a tree with its roots still attached is no easy task. The worker has to check its condition carefully before making a move. A pull rope or specialized equipment helps control the fall, but safety always comes first. Keeping a safe distance is a must to avoid any unexpected shifts or hazards. Lumberjack is facing a massive challenge. Ancient Jeffrey pines like this can tower over 200 feet and stand strong for centuries. Up here at 7,500 feet in the Sierra Nevadas, the conditions are brutal. Every cut is carefully planned, guiding the tree's fall and maximizing its timber. It's a job that demands skill, precision, and above all, deep respect for these towering giants. Get ready for some serious heavy-duty action. This is the Solato PTH1/1000M, an absolute powerhouse in wood chipping. Driven by a Scania DC-16 engine with a massive 656 horsepower, this beast is built for the toughest jobs. With a 1,000mm drum, a 2,200mm feeding chain, and a 270mm hopper, it chews through wood with unmatched efficiency. If you need raw power and high-capacity performance, this machine delivers. What Stump? The Deutz Agritron TTV 630, packing 203 horsepower, makes stump removal effortless. No more struggling or wasting time, just pure power getting the job done. If you're tired of the hassle, this machine is the solution you've been waiting for. Now, picture this, taking down a massive giant, not on steady ground, but on the steep, unforgiving slopes of California. Can you see it? Jagged terrain, gravity working against you, and the high-stakes challenge of dropping this tree with absolute precision. It's not just a job. It's a battle of skill, strategy, and pure adrenaline, just like a scene straight out of an action movie. Taking out a stubborn stump, you'll want an expert at the controls for this one. First, they'll carefully dig around it, exposing the roots. Then, with the sheer power of the excavator, those thick roots get sliced through like butter. Once the roots are gone, that stump doesn't stand a chance. A little effort, a lot of power, and just like that, it's out. Even the toughest stumps can't win against this method. Perfect execution is great, but the real value comes from understanding the problem-solving process. This video breaks it down step by step, showing how to use jacks and wedges to safely handle a negatively leaning tree. It's a must-watch for anyone looking to master safe and efficient tree felling techniques. Now that's some next-level engineering. Check out this homemade saw attachment for a mini excavator. Total DIY mastery. This guy isn't messing around, and honestly, it works surprisingly well. And that tiny flag? What a fun touch. It's got that playful vibe, like something straight off a kid's lunchbox. Seriously impressive work. Need to take down a big tree for your irrigation project? This excavator attachment is the perfect tool for the job. It works fast, removes trees with precision, and keeps disruption to a minimum. More efficiency, less mess, and big savings on time and money. Logging? No problem with the Kessler 12 MDH trailer and 305T loader. Take on those snowy forests like a pro. No more frozen hands or struggling on slippery trails. This setup is built for the toughest conditions. Load up the wood, head back to the cabin, and feel unstoppable. Logging in winter has never been this smooth. That's the power of top-tier logging machines in action. From massive log haulers to unstoppable stump pullers, we've seen raw strength and smart engineering come together to tackle the toughest jobs. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to stick around for more heavy-duty action. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating, and stay powered up with veteran tech.